Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is another editing video on how to make a logo yourself for free on your iPhone or your Android or whatever phones you have. You probably can even do this on your computer. Well, actually you can do this on your computer. So yeah, this video is just to show you guys how to make a logo without spending a ton of money. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I did not speed this video up. I actually decided to keep this video at regular speed. I had a few subscribers comment on they couldn't see what I was doing in the last two editing tutorials I did, so I decided to do a normal speed tutorial. So that's why this video is slow. If you kind of know these apps, you can go ahead and like watch as you please. Yeah, we're going to get straight into this video. The first app you're going to see is the Phonto app. In that app, I'm going to bring up a blank white canvas, and it could be whatever size you want. Actually, I'm sorry, a blank black canvas. It could be whatever size you want. And then you're just going to add your text in white. And this is only if you're doing glitter letters. If you're not doing glitter letters, you don't have to worry about doing it this way. But yeah, you're just going to make the letters white, and then you're going to save that image. I have a more detailed version on how I make the glitter letters in my previous Glam logo tutorial. I will leave that clipped above so you guys can check that out. You're going to save that photo, open it up in PicsArt. Once you have the image open in PicsArt, you're going to see at the bottom where it says add image. Once you add the image of the glitter layer that you want, you're going to size it to the right size of the letters. Make sure it's covering everything that's in white. And then you're going to go to blend mode, and then you're going to choose, I believe I always choose darken, but there's another one that does the exact same thing. So you can use that one as well, and then you're just going to save that image. Okay, so now that you have that image saved, you're going to open that in SuperimposeX or whatever eraser app that you choose to use for the logo. And then you're going to erase the background and then save that image as well. So now going into the Canva app, you're going to open up a blank image. So what you're going to do is click on, after all these apps and ads, you're going to click on create a design. And then I usually click on logo because it has a random size and it's usually perfect for me. So I just usually click on logo. And then you're going to go to the plus sign at the bottom right hand, and then go to the third drop down, go down to shapes, go down to frame, and then, or you can go to shapes, but frames is going to let you input a picture. So once you have that on your screen, you're going to go back to the plus sign, go down to the cloud, and you will have to upload it if you don't already have it there. If not, you can just click it straight from the drop down, and then you're just going to insert it. I did change the background to black because when you do glitter and you try to use a white background and erase the background, it just erased some of the glitter specks because those are white. So I saved it in black, and then I went into the Superimpose app or whatever eraser app that you choose, and then you're going to erase the background. thing that I did was went into the Phonto app. I opened up a blank canvas. It does not matter what size or the size of it. The color really don't matter as well, but I wanted to do a white background, so that's what I did. And then you're going to put everything that you want on there, and then you're going to save that image as well. Also, if you need another video showing me using the Phonto app, you can check out any of my other editing videos. I will leave those linked down in the description box, so make sure you check those out. Again, that is just showing you guys how to work the Phonto app, because I didn't explain in this video, because I feel like I explained a lot. So you guys can check those videos out if you want. If not, just keep on watching. Once that image is saved, you're going to go into superimpose again, or whatever eraser app that you're using, and then you're going to erase the white background. So what you're going to do in superimpose is go to mask, and then you're going to use the editing tool that you want, and then just click on the white, and then it'll delete all the white, and then you can go in between the letters and it'll do the same. The reason I chose the white background, as you can see, is because when I made my letters, I gave it like a black shadow. So when I went to delete the white background, it gave it this like cool look, you know. So that's why I decided to do the white background. You could do any color that you want, and it's going to turn out that way, hopefully. I'm not sure. I haven't tried it. Let me know if you try it. And then I did add a white border. I really like a thin white border, just to like kind of bring everything together, mostly the glitter. But yes, that is how I made this logo. So that is the end of this editing tutorial on how to create a basic text logo. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn on the post notifications so you will be notified when I upload another video. Again, thank you guys for watching. I will list down below all the videos that I have based on editing, on how to make YouTube banners or any other logos. List down below so you guys can check that out, and I will see y'all in my next one.